All right, Ty
and Jay.
and we about to do a food review on Oreo popcorn. But before we get straight to it, click our social medias down below. Down below on the tier screen and the description. You got something you gotta say, Jay?
Nah, I just add a little. You be like, click the notifications down below. I be like, literally. Oh, and make sure y'all definitely go to my Instagram. Ty&PradaJay, 1K. Just post some new pics, go like that.
At the time of this recording.
Yeah.
And get us to 100 subs too, that's the goal. And get this thing to 15 likes. Y'all want another food review to drop ASAP. So yeah, we about to get straight to it. But hand sanitizer mandatory, for sure.
I'm starting to feel like Z is with the when we be uploading. Be like every 3 months. That's fine. Y'all don't miss us anyway. So, yeah.
I mean, we gonna be uploading. We should upload twice a week when we after this vid. But
Should be, but we say that every week.
yeah, that's why we shouldn't get on expectations. But we about to smell it. This ain't smell like Oreo ice cream.
Popcorn.
Oreo ice cream. But now we about to try this thing. If y'all didn't know, our favorite ice cream is Oreo. So, yeah. Show them what it look like.
They had the artist done eating it. It's a fat piece stuck together.
Yeah, I like that too. Top on your arm. Yeah. Jane look good, smell good. This ain't good. Definitely here. I'll give it an 8. It ain't really as sweet as I thought it would be. But it's straight though. What's your thoughts on it? Might eat this whole drink. For sure. Speaking of that, I'm gonna do that anyway. You want some?
It is like popcorn with
Too much stuff.
Yeah, right. It tastes like popcorn with the look, Oreo cookies in it. What's it like to me? That's good though. 7.5 that's one.
Would you copy it again?
Possibly, I don't really eat popcorn anymore. So.
I don't know if anyone eating popcorn. It's our opinion on this popcorn. So yeah, Ty
And Jay.
and we up.